Assalamu alaikum Noor. Welcome back to the wonderful world of Qur'an.
Walaikum assalam HIDAIA. It's great to see you.
Are you ready for the third ayah?
Yes. But I will read it first.
Sure, go ahead.
Maliki Yawmiddin.
This ayah is roughly translated to, Master of the Day of Judgment. But as we have learned till now, simple translation does not grasp the beauty of an ayah. To understand it, we need to go to the root words. Malik is derived from Mim Lam Kaf. This root word means master, king, sovereign. But it is specifically used for the master of people. Hence you cannot say that I am Malik of my pen. You cannot be king or queen of your pen. You can only be king or queen of people. Similarly, if we talk about Allah, the word Malik means king, master, and ruler. The word Rabb, that we studied in the first ayah, has also a meaning of master. The next word Yom is made from Ya, Waw Mim. Commonly Yom is used for a day. That starts from sunrise and ends with sunset. But it generally means time or era. The last word of this ayah has a meaning of something that is owed, such as duty, debt or recompense. Here it means that the day on which everyone will be recompensed for their actions. That is the day of the judgment.
Subhanallah. Let me summarize what I have learned about this ayah.
Please do.
Maliki Yawmiddin means that Allah is the master of people on the day or maybe months or years or centuries in which people will be given the reward of their deeds.
Subhanallah. Indeed he is.
Did you guys see how much literal translations miss out in every ayah? I'm loving my Quran Explorer lessons. If you are too, then subscribe to my channel and keep updated to the newest videos. Till next time, keep checking other interesting uploads. Allah Hafiz.